So in this short video, we're going to go through some tips and tricks and shortcuts that we use to design SAMs. So first off, if you're drawing in 3D, you want to go ahead and activate the positioning tiles. That makes it so much easier to just move cabinets and place them perfectly in line with the cabinet next to it. So with these positioning tiles like this. If you want to activate the move cursor, you hit the M key. You can see that the cursor's changed. If you want to go back to the normal cursor, hit space. With the move cursor, you can click on a component and move it around. If you want to move the component in a fixed direction in a particular axis, you can use the arrow keys. So the left arrow key will slide the component in the green axis, the right arrow key will slide the component in the red axis, and the up arrow key, as you guessed it, will move it in the upwards and downwards blue axis. Something else that we use quite often is control click. So when you have the move cursor activated and you hit control, you can see there's a little plus sign that gets added next to the cursor. That means you're about to copy the component that you're about to click, and that way you can very easily click and make a wall of SAMs like that. Now, if you've copied these cabinets, they will all be grouped, or they will all be copies of each other. That means that all these doors will open at the same time. If you want to open these doors separately, you simply right-click on the component, make unique, and then you can open and close the door separately.